Hi and welcome back to our channel. This is Simon here. This is part 2 of the Lego Harry Potter build. So last time we did the well, looks like the Chamber of Secrets, and I think we started to do bits of another hidden bit. So if you're new to our channel, we're a family of 6 who live in Anglesey, and we don't normally do Lego builds.
It's a new series.
Yes.
I'm here. You can't see me, but I'm here. Hi everybody. I'm just going to be checking a new video that should be going on in a minute. So if you hear noise, but you'll put a thing over it on you. You can move it back now if you want.
Right. So on the last one, we finished bag 1 of Lego. I should have put a page marker in it, but I didn't. Trying to find where we got to. Talk amongst yourselves. Right. I'm not entirely sure if this table's going to be big enough, but let's get bag number 2 of Lego, which should be the next one up. I did this one. Bag number 2. And I will move the camera and then I will get back to you. Alright, so we're going to get through this much of the book, so up to step 67. If you can hear noise in the background, it's Katie checking the video that you've probably already seen by now. This is being filmed on the 1st of January. So, Happy New Year. Try not to have everything run off the table. I may have to come up with a bigger table idea.
That thing we had, I believe it was picked. Was it that pixel?
Yeah.
Was that big enough?
I don't know where it is. Yes, we've tried lots of little hobbies to try and we don't seem to be very good at sticking at them, do we?
I've ordered some, I think I said it on a video, I've ordered some diamond art. But this year I'm going to try it, and I ordered a book I wanted. Because my brother was supposed to go with me when I ordered.
Right. Hopefully the lighting's better on this one as well. So we're putting these. I'm not exactly sure what they're supposed to be. They kind of resemble pole dance poles, but that's.
Does it mean that you've been to a pole dancing club, Si?
Most definitely not.
I know your friend did.
Oh yes, my friend did.
Is it who, mate?
I have no idea.
Well, I know somebody, talking about pole dancing, that they went, I sort of know them and don't at the same time. They went to a pole dancing, it was someone's stag do, and he went in white trousers. So he had a pole dancer from a dancer, and basically she hadn't wiped the backside very good. So he did. Then she did a dance, and he had like.
We can guess.
You can guess what on the trousers.
So where does this go? Well, it goes There, I'm starting to learn how to read the instructions. They've got like little red outlines of what's new. And we need a little black square. Oh, that's a weird brick. All these things have changed since I used to do Lego. When I was Kai's age.
If anybody's watching, if you can hear my big voice, I would like to do Lego, but Disney. Because I'm obsessed with Disney, which is a really good, like, beginner's Disney one to get. Do you think? Because I would like the Disney Castle. What's like 300-400 quid. But I can't justify that if I'm not going to do it. Do you think?
Yeah.
So if anybody's got any, comment in the comment box, like an easy one to do.
Right, so that's step 35. Yes, I'm trying different ways of presenting the videos, because obviously I haven't had any feedback yet for the first one.
Should be up in the day.
It's going up in a...
It's going up on the 3rd.
Going up on the 3rd, and this is on the 1st. But I wasn't 100%, watched it back, and I don't know, fast forwarding through it I don't know if it was the right thing to do. So I'm going to try this one, not fast forwarding, and we'll see what you, the viewing public, feel.
But just comment down below to see what you...
This is all...
This is a different kind of video.
Right, so I'm just finishing off building the pole dancing studio. I didn't know Hogwarts had a pole dancing studio. Look. Oh, somebody's awake.
I don't come down because I'm sorting around. Bye.
Well, we'll be able to hear you. Unless you turn the monitor off.
Oh.
I'm looking for a bit. I've never seen one like before. There's certainly lots of bits in this set that aren't... Well, they're not normal to me anyway. But obviously I've not really done Lego in... there it is. A long time. So it's a very... At least the new camera makes it so you can see what I'm pointing at. So you are there, but you have to go... I hope you all had a good Christmas. Is this a door? Maybe? Is it black? It's a flat one. Oh, these are fiddly. Oh, it's supposed to have a thing in front of it, alright. I didn't know that. Pull that off. Yes, I'm not entirely sure what part of Hogwarts I'm building right now. Oh, there's Ellie. Her medicine to help her sleep's working well. Oh, I think we're building a step. Maybe. Pardon me, I'm getting over a bit of a coldy thing, so yes, that certainly looks like steps. go. Looking where I'm pointing would help. There you go. So what do I want to add next? Next one is... Hang on, I'm going to have done that one. Where's this go? I've done that. Okay, so I've got to add... Is there... Where am I adding it? Oh, there. Right, so that's good. I need to have something on top of... Do we not have anything on top of that? But they're not in line. I don't get this. It says I've got to put this block on here. Oh, maybe I see. Because if I put that there, okay, sorry if I'm not talking, I'm getting confused. Right, so I've built this bit of wall like it showed me. But on the instructions, we've got this one here, which shows going here. Okay, yeah, there we go. He goes there. I was misreading. Okay, and then we're going to put we've got two of these to go on. Top one's still a thing, yep. Right. That goes there. Then we need another see-through one. And another brick wall one. There we go. So, I mean, this looks Chamber of Secrecy. That's definitely the Chamber of Secrets. So this looks like some of the challenges maybe from the book I'm reading, Kai, at the moment. The first book, the Philosopher's Stone. Although I believe it's called something different in America. Ah. Oh no, I've knocked over one of the poles. Right, so according to the instructions, we've got to do a long one and a thin one, okay. Ah. Go there. Well, that's given that some structural integrity, isn't it? That's made it a bit stronger. Is that all? Ah, there we go. According to the book, that is the winged key room. So that's definitely from the Philosopher's Stone. And now we're adding another square. Hmm. Hmm. One, two, three, four, five, six. That can't be right. Oh, is there two of them? Even then that wouldn't be right. There we go. Okay. I'm confused. I am very, very confused. Sorry, this is showing there'll be two bits over, which means it would be like that. And if I put that there, that doesn't fit. But on the page, am I fitting it somewhere else? No, that's the right spot. Hmm. No, that's just the wrong black bit. Are there any more black bits? No, we'll worry about that in a minute. So if I do that, that's working. That's giving me the right bits. I wonder who chose the colours for all these bricks. Yellow. Or just... I'm hoping this is at least not incredibly boring for you guys to watch. Right. So I'm looking in the bag of bits from last week that are left over, and none of them are going to do the job. Gonna have to skip that step. That's all I can do at the moment. Go back to it. Oh, so this is joining, building some wall. We're putting a yellow. I mean, there's one thing you can say about this set, it's full of Easter eggs. Loads and loads of Easter eggs. So this, I've got a flat bit here and a funny one there that doesn't, a round one there. I wonder how the Lego people come up with this. Well, it looks like we're putting a roof on it. Um, I've missed the steps on. Have I missed? No. Oh, I see. I think. Right, I'm finding mistakes today. It's not like me. There we go, that's them in. So let's goes. We got floor. I'll muck that up. I mucked that up. I wasn't paying attention. Good excuse to bring out the well, that's quite impressive. Right, so this base is supposed to go in there. And then this bigger one is supposed to go in there. So I've got to do the chest set now. So so I know what this bit is that I'm currently building. This is the chessboard. from Harry Potter. Although it's been a bit shrunk. It'd be a bit hard to fit up. Even if they were tiny. It'd be very difficult to fit a full-size board in this space. Sorry, when I say full-size, I mean in terms of number of squares. So, yeah. Okay. Yep. So we got the whites and interesting. I wonder if they'll ever do a version of chess with 4 pieces. Right. So this goes in. Oh, get it the right way around. Hope people are enjoying watching this. I'm getting bored stiff. Oh, don't get to anything on the top though. Now they're just going to look at this. So, what do we need to do here? Let's see, so we're building. So there's just so many. I mean, they didn't need to go to all this trouble of including all these little bits of the films, because all this is underground. Now we're on to step 50. I'm not entirely sure why this is blue. It's an awful lot of effort that goes into making these sets. There we go. Six, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. I wonder why they choose these colours. I wonder why this block is orange. Okay. Purple. And we've got a red, grey, and then I have no idea what that is. I'm sure it'll all become obvious. I'm going to have to go for not really. This just looks like it's more of the walk. I guess that goes there. What is that? Oh, I see that goes. Remember correctly, after the chess set, it was a potion room. I went to next. Okay. Well, that's quite a contraption. And there we go, so that's it. And then and now I'm supposed to be talking, but I'm not really sure what to say. I'm just sort of concentrating. And we're up to number 60. So this is holding a torch. It probably seems to be out of scale for little Lego people to be in. Oh, I see that. That's the mirror. There's that. Right. I see. So that is the end of the hope you can see this all right. At least I'm not going to run out of battery. And there we go. We're starting to get roofs on everything. Right, well, I'm going to leave that bit out because I can't physically find the right one to go there. And that's that. But again, the same as last week, this is all done. As you can see, we've still got a fair chunk of leftover bits. So I'll put all these in here. Right. So today we've done the chess room, the pole dancing room, keys, the mirror of Erised. So that's Harry first sort of fought Quirrell. I'm just doing that with my son. Oh, I'm quite impressed with how this looks. So this is the end of part 2. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you like that video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, thumbs down. Any comments on how I could make the this series better? Because we're on part 2. I'm about to start part 3. Part 1 isn't going to go live until a couple of days' time. Like I said, any feedback would be appreciated. And I'll see you in our next video. Bye.